So nothing to do him. You know? Not a thing to do him. Yeah, good morning peeps. What's up? Alright, so this morning I go cut teeth, cut tail, administer some iron. Some iron now. See it here, the buckle kinda mess up, but liquid in there still good. So the syringe I use and the type of needle. So just stick around. Yeah, so basically we can't find my teeth cutter and tail cutter, so I use one of the big one of the big nail clipper then. Alright, so here goes. No piglets is being ironed in this video. Right? And now for the administration of the iron. So nothing to do him. You know? Not a thing to do him. Piglet and I want to open up his mouth. These are the teeth you want to cut out from early, right? That thing I did. You see, as me done, it's happening nice. So, don't mind the screaming and hollering. He's just a bit scared. Who wouldn't be scared? Tail freshly cut. I am administer 1 ml of iron oil. Just 1 ml. Female. No, male. Always beware, cause them teeth are will blind you. See, no blood, no blood. Just the iron. And him good. See? So there you have it. All 8. All 8. 4. Yeah, all 8 of them. Tails been docked. Big Mama. Pen kind of wettish. I go wash it out there now. So thanks for sticking around and watching, guys. Tails. Can't find my teeth clipper, so I use the big fingernail. They can use the bigger ones, so it's easier for dock the tail them. And the syringe, brand new syringe, because you don't want anything to be infected. And the ironal, yeah, you can get this at any farm store. You administer this with the piglets are 2 to 3 days old. These are 2 days old, and I administered my ironal, you know, because you know young pigs aren't born with sufficient iron, so you just help them out and give them the boots there. So I'm expecting from all the other girls and thing. Big Mama doesn't want me near her piglets, but she know I had to do the job. So
yeah, peeps, so I jump on the garden. These are the seeds when I buy and thing, you know.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, people.
Plow up the place, and I clean up the place. I burn some fire, burn down the whole place, you know. Get the place active for do some planting and all of them things there. That's how we do it. My second I go and do him thing. I go and plow up. See okra them there. We sow some seed and thing. Them a come up nice little okra tree. We just show it step by step as we go along. We show some tomato too, but that are further down. You see it? But I just the okra me just show off. Cause they just look nice coming up from them a baby and thing. See them there, you know? Okra for days, okra tree. But the thing is, me they plant them too close, and I go see what I go on still. But see them there, them a come up nicely and thing. Okra for days, pretty okra. Me second I go and clean up. See it there?
Okra's coming on.
I'm just extremely fascinated about how them a grow and all of them things. The first time doing some planting and all of them things. Just you don't know, your boy. And then see tomato them there. Tomato them a go on and thing. You go see a better video of them still. Stick around, see it there. Tomato, them a take them time. First time planting, so I don't really know the knowledge. Maybe the next time around we can do it bigger and better. You see me? But see tomato them there. I go and show them off and thing. You see me? I just some little clippings we just put together and all of them things there. You see me? So see it now okra them bigger and thing. Not even show pretty, but you know, tomato the pan tree, you know, me feel proud how I go on. You see me? Yeah man. And I show some sweet pepper. Yeah, some little sweet pepper. They never they go on with too much still, but give thanks. Back to the tomato them, you know. You see me? See tomato them they go on and thing. And see okra them, you know. So okra them a go on big. See okra them grow up well up big and everything right about now. You see me? And thing look box there. Yeah man, but the thing is, be a thing I bite up a leaf, but even know. I need some expert to tell me when I can spray upon them. So we are going to okra field and now I'm supposed to go search for a couple okra, you see me? Yeah man, a couple okra supposed to in there, ready upon the tree. I don't know say when them get too long, them old and things. So I make them get too long, you see me? So anyways, okra field, I go and do a thing. I go and walk through and I show you how I go and, you see me? I go pick up one okra and thing, same way. I try with a knife, but the knife too big. I have to get a scissors next time. You see me, that one the drop, but so you go. But I just leave them, man. Look, leave them full of beer, whole. What I can use and spray. So the next okra there, yeah, I'm proud of myself, you know, man. John no star. Look how okra come up, man. Alright, use the knife and flick off of okra right this way. You see me? Yeah, man, put them little bucket. I don't know. I go steam 2 fish, look more. As me say, knife too big. I'm a butcher knife this. You see me? I have to go get a scissors and deal with the okra right way and thing. You see me? But I just go through the okra tree and go and view the place, see if I see no okra. See the next one there. You know? Pick it off, get them active and all of them things there. The knife kinda unbugging. I cut down an okra, I cut down a branch and all of them things there with a big knife. But as I say first time around, so you don't know it's a learning process this. So we just go and flick the okra them and all of them things there. You see me? Get them active.
To pick off a tree, man.
Please peeps. like, share and subscribe and go and share up the video them and everything. Comment and all of them things. Talk to me. Correspond. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram. Same way. JB Farm and Adventure and everything. You see me? Yeah man. See okra them there. See them all cut down limb and all of them foolishness them. I don't even know. But that's so you go. You see me? Me get few okra and things. Some of them be tough still. And thing one bug in my pond same way. But we give God thanks. Okra tree them a go on. And this are before this the little pass in the rain. Ian. I say name? Ian or Ivan. No, I can't Ivan, so I must Ian. You see me? So give thanks same way. Same way. So I'm just go and pick one and few okra same way. And think I'm a proud glad bag boss right there. So you see me? If you know you plant and I reap, it's a great look. You see me? So I just they say them man, we just go and do the right thing and thing same way. You see me? So I just that. See me there, I show off in a okra field. I show say yo okra tree almost taller than me. Yo, the okra tree them scratch your freak. Me never know so I saw okra tree them scratch. Come look like a bush tiger man, but a bush me there. See it there? Pan a okra and base up me now. Basically almost tall like my guns. Okra. Carry me okra girl inside market.